We are given an amazing math Olympiad problem, where the square root of a plus the square root of minus a equals 24. Our goal is to determine all possible values of a. So, can you solve it? Okay, as first step, take the square root of minus a to the right-hand side to get the square root of a equals 24 minus the square root of minus a. Now, in order to eliminate the square roots and get an equation that we can actually solve, we will square both sides of this equation. On the left-hand side, squaring the square root of a simply gives a. On the right-hand side, we apply the identity p minus q squared equals p squared minus 2pq plus q squared. In our case, p is 24 and q is the square root of minus a, so the right-hand side becomes 24 squared minus 2 times 24 times the square root of minus a plus the square root of minus a squared. Now calculate each part. 24 squared is 576. Then, minus 2 times 24 is minus 48. So, we get minus 48 times the square root of minus a. Finally, the square root of minus a squared becomes just minus a, because the square and the square root cancel, leaving the expression under the root. If we bring that minus a from the right side to the left side, it becomes plus a. So we now get a plus a, or 2a, equals 576 minus 48 times the square root of minus a. Next, let us divide both sides by 2. This gives a equals 288 minus 24 times the square root of minus a. Now take that minus 24 times the square root of minus a to the left side and this a to the right side to get 24 times the square root of minus a equals 288 minus a. Now, to eliminate the square root, we again square both sides. Left-hand side becomes 24 squared times the square root of minus a squared. 24 squared is 576. The square root of minus a squared is just minus a, so the left-hand side becomes minus 576a. Now, for the right-hand side, we again apply the identity. P minus q squared equals p squared minus 2pq plus q squared. So the right-hand side becomes 288 squared minus 2 times 288 times a plus a squared. Now, 2 times 288 equals 576. Oh look, the minus 576a will cancel out from both sides. We are left with a squared plus 288 squared equals 0. This means a squared equals minus 288 squared, or a squared equals minus 1 times 288 squared. Now taking square root on both sides, we get a equals square root of 288 squared times square root of minus 1. Thus, a will be equal to plus minus 288i, where I is also called iota, the imaginary unit. And that's it. So a is either 288i or minus 288i.
Wait, I have bonus challenge for you. Can you solve the same equation with value 45? Don't forget to comment the correct solution below.
If you really love this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Mathspire.